The buzzer's just gone off. There she goes. Go get it, mate. So we're at Jollibee. Got to do the Filipino fast food mania thing, and here it comes. Oh. Now apparently it's all about the fried chicken. One of mine was not supposed to have rice, but it's got rice.
They always have rice. That had rice, I told you.
It's all lost in translation except for mine, but Lena's got one bit of chicken and some chibbies and a little gravy. Mine's got 2 bits of chicken and rice and gravy. So we'll see what it's like.
The chips are good and hot.
Everything is super hot. Holy shit! Ow. But yeah, the bird is supposed to be super amazing. So they've given me a wing and some other bit, but it's all good. We'll check it out. We'll check it out and we'll let you know. So I've just dumped all the gravy, my whole tub, on this rice. The gravy is bloody amazing. Lena's trying the little ketchup sachet. How's your wing, mate? Oh, the ketchup? No?
No, it's standard.
There's the chicken, crispy, hot.
Yeah. It's a certain smell, that's a bit weird.
What do you mean?
Oh no.
What about the gravy?
No, the gravy's good. That's quite nice. It's like KFC gravy.
Yeah, but the gravy's bloody weird, man. It's got this, it smells like KFC, but it tastes way better than KFC. So I'm going to give it a crack and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I've dumped all my gravy on top of the rice. And yeah, the gravy's actually got a good flavour. Unfortunately, the chicken's just... Look, I'm not even Canadian, man, but I know what a hockey puck looks like. The rice is like a lukewarm hockey puck. This is the chicken, the bits that I've had and Lena's had. And you leave some bits on there because it doesn't seem right, but look, there's a bit of crunch on it. Is it the best fried chicken that everyone raves about when they come over? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so, man. We missed out. Maybe we got just a dud batch, but you get chicken with rice. The rice is like a hockey puck. The gravy is very, very nice. I'm not going to rip them off over the gravy. The gravy's amazing, but yeah, the chicken, yeah, it's juicy, but half the skin's missing. So it's like breaded outer meat without the skin, which is a shame. But just one other thing about fast food restaurants in Thailand and in Philippines. Over here, there's a hand washing station. There's no actual toilet in this restaurant. So you say, oh, where's the toilet? Oh, we don't have one. Oh, how can we wash our hands? Yes, sir, go to the hand washing station. So lots of the time, Lena and I pulled over thinking, oh great, there's a Macca's. We can go for a squirt or do a shit. And then you rock up and there's no actual toilet. It's just a hand washing station like that. So tip for young players. But yeah, Jollibee, supposed to be the amazingest, the most super amazing chicken in all of Philippines, sorry. Yeah, I don't know. Man. Okay, don't hate us. After that debacle at the friggin' pretend chicken joint, everyone raves and raves and raves. Look at Lena, she's not impressed.
Oh, no, I like this one. This is McDonald's chicken.
This is McDonald's chicken, man. So we went out, had another 1 or 2 beers, and I said, "Yep, same time." Lena agreed. She actually said at same time, and I have agreed, yes. But look, we came to Donny's, man, and tried out this chicken. Compared to that other thing from the other place that we were talking about, the Bee of Jolliness, man, it tasted like bleached and artificial and weird and shit, and Lena wasn't a fan. I wasn't a fan either. Look, I'll tell you what, this gravy that they've given us from Donny's,
It's a bit
the gravy's poo. The gravy's rubbish. It's like a watered down version of KFC. Compared to the Jollibee gravy was amazing. But once again, I don't know why in this country they just give you a, here it is.
A hockey puck.
It's a bloody lukewarm, even cold hockey puck full of sticky rice, which is a pain in the ass to eat with chicken. I've seen like locals here, man, using the cutlery. Oh, I didn't even, they gave me cutlery and I just put it back on the plate. Like, they gave me knife and fork to eat a burger. I went, nah mate, no, I'll just leave it here. It's all good. Thanks, hun. It's happy days. But look, yeah, shit, I've got a Big Mac, but I've been in Thailand for 28 days. I've been here for 2 days and I haven't eaten any overseas food, so, and I needed something just a bit different, and it was super easy. Well, I'm trying to work out this chicken, and good. Yeah. So, Macca's chicken compared to Jollibee. Sorry, Jollibee. You smell like
Artificiality.
ammonia. It's like a shark, man. Like I worked on a trawler, and when sharks come up, they smell of ammonia, man. And that's what the chicken. You walk into Jollibee, man, the whole joint smells like ammonia, and it was like weird and yeah, not special. But yeah, this stuff here that Lena's getting into. Look, the skin, man, it's got some crunch on it. Yeah. Nom. Okay, so part 3 in the chicken saga. Last night when we were at the Jollibee, this girl said, "Man, you won't like this." This is a local Filipino girl. She goes, "Don't worry about Jollibee, go over the road to this place." This is what it's called. Andoks. They've got all sorts of chicken. They do fried chicken. And this is what they've got in their restaurant, man, like the rotisserie of amazement. They've got beef, massive like beef shorties, cooking with chicken. They've got pork belly here with the fat dripping onto the chicken. Man, this is just an absolute plethora of flavours. So yeah, we're going to give this a run. We'll try some of their crispy, and also try some of the grilled chicken too. We'll see what else they got.
Big Hole Express.
Oh, what they got? What they got? Big Hole Express, like I have for breakfast. But yeah, we're gonna try lots of stuff, so it should be fun. Okay, so the dudes just brought the food. There's no other whiteys up here. The Filipino dudes are looking at me a bit funny. So we've got some awesome pork. Looks absolutely amazing. We've got chicken from the rotisserie with gravy and like a different shaped hockey puck, but yeah, same sort of thing. And we've got a bit of grilled chicken, same gravy. And yeah, once again the rice, I said to the girl, look, we'll just have one rice to share between, but once again, lost in translation.
Okay, here we go. Simon's going in with the fried chicken.
Good. Oh yeah.
Yep.
No shitty taste. That Jollibee we had last night was like ammonia. It was a bit weird. So this is actually really nice. It's good. Good crunch. I'll try a bit of the gravy. Oh yeah. Similar to the Macca's gravy, like a weak KFC version. Nowhere near as good as Jollibee gravy, but man, the chicken's better than Jollibee. So, yeah, that's just my opinion, but it's awesome. It's nice, really good.
All right, try this one then.
Right. This one's good too. Yeah, I don't know.
So that's a winner?
Yeah, this is good.
This one's okay? This is awesome. You tried that one's awesome.
Well, we're here for the chicken, for the bird.
But
So we found the pork.
that's awesome.
These are absolutely
That's
amazing.
really good with that sauce. Yeah. I'll try this again.
Hang on.
I'm just going to try it again.
Lena's got a bit of a conflict of interest. She tried the crispy one like I had.
Yep.
Not really a fan.
This one I would rate higher than that.
Okay.
But the pork is outstanding with that sauce.
It's all about the chicken, but we found the pork, and the pork is
This one.
it's just like grilled pork belly on a stick bone.
This for me, look, everybody's different, but I still have that artificial, I don't know. This one's not bad, but for me it's the pork.
All right. Well,
Even
so
though
far the pork is the winner.
For me.
Jollibee last night, pretty disappointing. Macca's fried chicken last night, not too bad, but the gravy was poo. And then tonight we got recommended to come here by one of the locals, Andoks, and yeah,
Andoks chicken.
look, the stuff they're doing on the grill, pretty amazing.
Charcoal.
Look, we asked for no rice. We got these free hockey pucks, and there's a couple of gravies there. Last night I gave those leftover rice and gravy from Macca's to a guy who needed to eat them more than me outside, so not a problem. I'll do the same tonight, mate. There'll be someone outside that'd be happy to take those. So yeah, all right. We'll try and find chicken place number 4 and see if we can find the actual best fried chicken in the Philippines.